sa loob, nakakagasgas pa ng body ng sasakyan natin. May time pa nga na sa sobrang init, yung pinaka-plastic material niya sa loob dumikit sa body ng sasakyan ko. So buti na lang hindi na-damage yung pintura ko. Kaya nga ingat-ingat din tayo sa mga binibili nating car cover, lalong-lalo na pag alam nating low quality. Kasi imbes na nag-car cover tayo, baka maingatan natin yung sasakyan natin, mas lalo masisira.
Marami pa rin pala mga iPhone users ang hindi nakakaalam na nakakasira yung laser light sa mga...
Sabi sa akin ng notation is
40K budget mo.
I guess we're not supposed to talk about it. I guess we're not supposed to talk about Chinese cars and how advanced they are compared to American car companies. American car companies look like the Stone Age. Have you seen some of these new Chinese vehicles and how advanced their battery technology and just their technology overall is so far advanced compared to where we're at? I mean, it's a joke. It's literally laughable. And the expense that you have to pay for an American car compared to a Chinese car is like night and day. So how much longer are we going to protect the U.S. automakers that are making garbage compared to China? How long before people go, yeah, I'm not buying into the U.S. car market. I want a car from China. Yeah, they're better, faster, better looking. Go down the categories. They're so much further advanced, it's not even funny. So what are we doing? Are we just protecting automakers that continue to make cars we don't want? Is that freedom? I'm just asking. Is that freedom here in America when you can't get a product because it's too good? Make it make sense. I guess we're not supposed to talk about it. I guess we're not supposed to talk about Chinese cars and how advanced they are compared to American car companies. American car companies look like the Stone Age. Have you seen some of these new Chinese vehicles and how
Dati, akala ko kapag naka-LFP
Gusto ko
battery na
second
yung
parts
EV
for
natin,
American
okay lang
cars,
siya na
no?
yung judge palagi. Pero may nakita ako 2025. Dati, akala ko kapag naka-LFP battery na yung mga EV,
But our skin.
Lagi may napagkakamalan na naka-16. Okay.
Para ma-enjoy the iPhone Air.
truly
The iPhone Air is my favorite iPhone in so long. I'm the founder of her fan club. This is with a case on. Some of you could never. Just kidding. Don't get mad. Do not.
truly one of the best tinted lip balms I know. That's below 200 pesos. Local brand pa. Very hydrating. Tapos tingnan niyo yung lapat sa lips ko. Fresh lang, diba? This is the Everbilena Sheer Serum Tinted Lip Balm in the shade of Marsala. Sobrang juicy sa lips. And I'm making this video just to remind everyone how good this product actually is. So good that Everbilena at one point.
Mga settings sa iPhone na dapat nyo i-turn off kung ayaw nyo merong makaka-access sa privacy ninyo. Kasi na paminsan, iniiwan natin yung iPhone natin sa table, nakaganyan lang siya, tapos biglang may pop-up na important message. And biglang nabasa yun ng friend mo na hindi naman sana dapat niyang basahin.